Hello guys, today let's see a circular arrangement set. So the question says A, B, C, D, F, G and H are the prime ministers of 8 different countries, namely Australia, New Zealand, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, England, okay, but not necessarily in the same order. All of them are seated around a circular table and are facing the center. Okay, so this information is very important, that all of them are facing towards the center. So some of the circular arrangement question says some of them are facing towards the center and others are facing outwards of the circle. So this thing is very important. In this question, all of them are facing towards the center, and then the information is given. So let me draw the circle. Okay, so A sits third to the left of the Sri Lankan PM. So let the Sri Lankan PM is here. So A is third to the left of Sri Lankan PM. It means first, second, third. It means A will come here. Okay, only two people sit between E and G. So let me write here. Two people sit between E and G. Neither E nor G is an immediate neighbor of A. So E and G can't come here. Neither E nor G is the PM of Sri Lanka. Okay, so neither E nor G is the PM of Sri Lanka. Okay, so neither E nor G can come at this position as well, because if one of them comes here, the other person will come here, and it is already given that the person is not the Sri Lankan PM. So E and G can't come here. So the only possibility for E and G is this, because E and G can't come here as well, because if E comes here or G comes here, the other person will come here and that will be the neighbor of A. So it is already given none of them is neighbor of A. So the only possibility for E and G is this and this. Okay, the PM of South Africa sits second to the right of D. Okay, so second to the right of D. Okay, D is not an immediate neighbor of A, so D can't come here, D can't come here. And yeah, D is not the Sri Lankan PM and A is not the PM of South Africa. A is not the PM of South Africa. Okay, so yeah, so D can't come here as well, because if D is here, then A will be the South African PM, because South African PM is second to the right of D. So if D is here, A will be the South African PM, and that is not possible. So D can't come here, not here, can't come here. So the only possibility for D is this. So if D is this, then South African PM will come here. Okay, let's move further. The Australian PM sits third to the left of F. So F is this. Australian PM is third to the left of F. Okay. Australian and Sri Lankan PMs are not immediate neighbors. So Australian and Sri Lankan are not immediate neighbors. So if we see the F's position, F can't come here, because if F comes here, then the Australian PM must come here, which is not possible. F can't come here as well, because if F comes here, the Australian Prime Minister will come here, and which will be the neighbor of Sri Lankan PM, which is not possible. So the only possibility for F is this. So F is here. So I have looked at this possibility. I have take care of this condition and this. Okay. So let's move further. Only 1% sits between D and Indian PM. So D and Indian PM. Okay, so this can't be the Indian PM. So the Indian PM will come here. So this is India. So there is only 1% between D and India, which is F. The PMs of Pakistan and New Zealand are immediate neighbors. So Pakistan and New Zealand are immediate neighbors. So the only position for them can be this: Pakistan, New Zealand, New Zealand, Pakistan. Okay. D is not the PM of New Zealand. D is not the PM of New Zealand. It means D is the PM of Pakistan. D is the PM of Pakistan. So here the New Zealand PM will come. Okay. Only one person sits between B and the PM of England. Between B and the PM of England. Okay, so I will I will come to this uh, point later on. The PM of England is an immediate neighbor of H. PM of England is immediate neighbor of H. Okay. G and B are not immediate neighbors. G and B are not immediate neighbors. It means G and B are not the immediate neighbors. Okay. So if we look at the PM of England can't come here because if we look at the second last point, PM of England is an immediate neighbor of H. So if PM of England comes here, H neither come here, neither nor come here. So PM of England can't come here. So the only position for England's PM is this. And he is an immediate neighbor of H. It means H will come here. Now if I look at the third last point, only one person sit between B and the PM of England. So this is B and this is PM of England, and only one person sits between them, and that is A. G and B are not immediate neighbors. G and B are not immediate neighbors. It means E will come here and G will come here. Okay. And the Australian PM is here from this point, because F is here and third to the left of S is Australian PM. Okay, so now let's look at the questions. So the first question is how many people sit between E and the PM of England when counted in the clockwise direction from E. Okay, so E is here and the PM of England is here. So in the clockwise direction there are two people, which are B and A. So the answer to this particular question is third option. This is third option, which is two people. Who is the PM of Australia? PM of Australia is A, which is first option. Which of the following is true with respect to the given sitting arrangement? Okay, C is the PM of South Africa. C is the PM of South Africa. No. H is the PM of South Africa. G is an immediate neighbor of F. G is an immediate neighbor of F. No. The PMs of Australia and England are immediate neighbors. PM of Australia and England are immediate neighbors. So this is true. Hence, third option would be correct. Who is the Indian PM? Okay, so Indian PM is E. So fourth option. So now if we look at the selection of set in the exam scenario, all the information given was straightforward, so we could easily make the circular arrangement. The only thing that we need to take care of is the cannot be determined option present in the fourth question. So it tells us that there is a possibility that we can't tell the exact position of the Indian Prime Minister, as the fourth question says. So that's all for today's set. See you guys in the next one.